यस
पेंडिंग है,
हाँ
अपील पेंडिंग है, नेक्स्ट वीक तक।
Malord, this is the same petition regarding the question of Adi Brahma Samaj, Malord. They filed a writ appeal, Malord, pending. Final order.
तो इसमें भी सेम ऑर्डर पास कर देते हैं क्या क्या बोल रहे हैं
नेक्स्ट वीक
आप सेम ऑर्डर पास कर देते हैं नेक्स्ट वीक नहीं
जो हो गया है साहब,
जो डिसाइड हो गया वो ऑर्डर पास कर रहे हैं
Malord. ये
कोई ऑर्डर पास कर देना केशव चंद्र सेन वाला ऑर्डर डिस्पोज ऑफ
दोनों वही ऑर्डर था ना? नहीं देखो, ये अलग उस पे है, ये मेरिट्स पे है। देखो मतलब
कनेक्टेड में कौन है काउंसिल कौन है
39.1 भी।
अरे ऐसा ना हो कि दूसरा ही केस डिसाइड हो जाए आपका ना हो आप किस केस में अपियर हो रहे हैं नंबर बताइए नाम बताइए जरा पिटिशनर का बहुत बारीकी से देखना पड़ता है अदरवाइज दूसरे का केस डिसाइड करवा दे
He is appearing, my lord, in item number 39.1, my lord.
39.1 देखिए अभी मिस्टेक हो रही थी कि नहीं चलो इसमें पास करना है इसमें भी वही क्वेश्चन है सेम चंद्र सेन एंड हु इज अपीयरिंग 39
Pardon me, I was under the impression that 37 is the name.
हाँ 39
Manoj, in 39, last time the issue was raised, जो भोपाल यूनिवर्सिटी के आंसर केस थे,
वो तो डिसाइड हो गया ना मैटर इज ऑलरेडी डिसाइडेड
last time the matter was decided. The specific query that I had raised was कि जो MP Bhoj University, my lords would come to page number.
there is a difference of opinion between the two set of expert committee
Now the fact was,
so which opinion is correct you have been directed to seek instruction
My lord, this is not an expert committee report, my lord. This is only a reading material, my lord. And my lord, this part, my lord, this is not written by the three people which are present on the first page which they have filed, my lord. My lord, I may be allowed to. Lord, may kindly see page 43 P8, my lord.
in this item number 39 na
Item number 39, my lord, page number 43.
page 43
My lord.
yes
My lord, there are three names: V.K. Srivastava, Naveen Gideon, and Naveen Gideon. Three, my lord, they are unit writers, my lord. In the next page, they are claiming 44 to be the expert committee report, my lord. But my lord, this next page is part of this, my lord, which is a reading material provided by Dr. Meena Srivastava, my lord. This is not an expert committee report, my lord. My lord, may kindly peruse this one.
so this they have already filed na
My lord, they have only filed the first page and the
relevant page
my lord.
allow me time to verify this because I had got the rating material like this. So as
so
of
this is reading material last time you said that this is a expert committee report
this is a reading material. This is a
so reading material will not consider
yet
reading material may be different
स्टेट यूनिवर्सिटी है इसके एक्सपर्ट्स के द्वारा ये प्रिपेयर की
नहीं नहीं नहीं
My lord, this is not an expert committee report, my lord.
this is a case wherein the error that has seeded the seeding has been done by the
now
university.
we cannot take a different view this court has answered the query
Because the query has been answered. इन्होंने एक fresh expert committee बैठाई जिसके बाद इन्होंने कह दिया कि जो देवेंद्र नाथ टेगोर
that is
the correct answer.
that is under challenge before the
My lord, the bill is pending.
जी
जो भी ऑर्डर उसमें होगा that will be final
but
So we can dismiss this
this observation और may
we will say that this is not an expert committee report but
may allow me to observe may allow me to verify this क्योंकि मेरे को जितना पता है ये MP भोज यूनिवर्सिटी का ही है.
लाइए
This reading material has also been
पूरा
prepared by
document
the
दे दीजिए.
experts of those university.
this is the complete document you have filed only the extract
I'll verify this.
no need to verify we can go through it ये देखिए क्या है number of title pages history Dr. मीना श्रीवास्तव
Well, this is the copy of Unit 8, of which there is a Unit 8.4.3 देवेंद्रनाथ टैगोर, देवेंद्रनाथ ठाकुर टैगोर और ब्रह्म समाज इसके बेसिस पे ये क्लेम कर रहे हैं मतलब. This is only a reading material and my lord, the detailed order which has been passed by a coordinate bench, my lord. In that, my lord, the gazetteer part is also considered, my lord. That the
Yes.
answer is from gazetteer, my lord.
Gazetteer.
My lord, they may claim all this in writ appeal, my lord.
We will say that this is not an expert committee report. It is only a
Reading material.
reading material. An expert committee report is already there, on the basis of which other writ petitions have been
My lord.
disposed of.
My lord, my lord.
Same order कर देना. दोनों. Yes.
I'm obliged.